Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will discussing about the ChatGPT optimization language models of dialogue. You can see the open platform will be released, so it is very fastest learn to algorithms, research papers. You use your APIs, research works, and about you can see the about of the you can read out OpenAI open research platform benefit of the humanity. It is purely artificial intelligence, so you can see the who's involved and what kind of the APIs work and join the OpenAI. OpenAI is the very biggest platform to deal with the artificial intelligence. So so in this video we will uh, going to the start OpenAI next generation apps with OpenAI powerful platform modules. You can just press the link get start and sign up the module of the beta OpenAI version. So just a moment. I think I am already logged in. You can see the just continue with the Google platform and continue with the Microsoft account. So it is depend on you which kind of account you will be created. So I'm not robot. You just click in here and I have put the by research 01 mail and continue. I'm already logged into in my account, so you can see. Okay, no problem. So I'm just open my account by research account. So you can see the personal account and manage account, view APIs keys, invitation team, and you going to the prepaid platform. We are not going to the prepaid platform, or we are going to the such explore the OpenAI and such examples. Grammatically correction, natural language process, OpenAI API, text to command, natural language strict API, classification, SQL, and QA. We are going to the net this type. So you can see the API and the code, Python platform, Node.js, Curl, JSON. You just copy and install the OpenAI. You can see the how to install OpenAI. So pip install OpenAI. So you see the OpenAI will be installed. Okay. So we are going to the just quick start content generation, summarization, classification, categories, data abstract, and you can see the translation, many more. Okay, and we are also going to the here the code, and I'm not a code expert in JavaScript side. I'm creating I want to I want calculator. I want calculator. Calculator spell is not good. Okay, I want calculator. You can see the code will be written. Assign the calculator and calculator body rate and calculator. Okay, so just put here the your value less 12 equal to 12. You can see the one box will be created and input your text ID calculator stored. So it is very useful to generate AI. Within seconds will code be generated. You also generate your grammatically errors, and I want to share with you. here the API code. Okay, you put here the API and a code model and Python command platform. So it will be created very simple AI models, and it is very next level to used when we easy to write your interview questions, restaurant review many, and it's so many type of kind of help of you in production and Python bugging fixer. So you can see the I'm opening the platform of the OpenAI bug solve. So you submit it and you solve the your problem. Okay. So uh, now we are going to the write a Python code, Python 3.7 version. You can change the also Python versions. Python 3, Python 3.6, Python 3.7, 3.8, 3.0 to summary. You can also use the your API node to summary. Okay. Manage the account. You can see the manage account. You plan the your uh, you generate the API also. You generate from here. Okay. Here the your token ID, organization token ID. Okay. Usage. You what kind of you use in daily basis. You here share this daily report will be shared. Okay. So APIs, invitation team, pricing, logout. Okay. So here the ChatGPT open API platform overview. So we going to the introduction. You can see the open API numpy means Node.js. Your token. I will show you the how to generate a API key. You will read the article and you click the here and generate the API key and put here your organization key and API key. You get the response of the all content. Examples, categories, classification. Here you can go to the code. Okay. Hmm. I would I would like to this kind of platform. I want to my solve my solve my problem in uh, web application. So you can see the he will be sold in within seconds. Just press a click. I want to sell my program. I want to solve my problem, and you can print out the Node.js. Okay. So it is here the overview of the ChatGPT and what is a ChatGPT. It is open platform. Recently, right now, you write your content, summarization, classification, categories, sentiment analyzing, data state, translation, many more means. Just like you can see, we are going to the here all categories. Okay, here the all categories. QA, summary, text to command. You can use all these this type of here the you can see the JavaScript help folder, helper chatbot, machine learning help chat. You can also learn here the machine learning within seconds. I think it is very huge platform for the learning and write the very high massive things and you explore your ideas and innovation kind of queries and just like startups. your startup will be growth in this platform. Also, you help out grammatically, proposals and codes and a lot of things. So our target is the export the open AI chatbot ChatGate. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.